Abusiafo yaba mu nyina aha beche obi bia baby awo ewo wiase afa na nyina ene memenda memenda di kan ewo November bosome no 2020 if I'm recovering pon and I'm welcoming you to the community and the law we age media de ebro mende we bia free we are no 9 ewo UK ha ekopem said no nsia ebebo dwumedia BWF solicitors afa ehonka nyina wahye ede amayen se yemfa emro na yenkyerkyere emra ene eho ensem senia esi etie na won so senia watimi agina wona so efri ebra wonim ebesi sabre no wohu senia ebesi akro dwumedia yewo won sembisa ode beba yewo akyekyere a yede ebra wo na wate niema bi ase enenso so yet another edition bro BWF solicitors your preferred community lawyers UK ha say ebano immigration and some say ebano wadwumamu ene ho ensama hodo efa emra ho say ebano say wajapade ene abusua sene esi etie Ghana mra ene UK mra sen ena esi ekro ni nyina BWF solicitors edi ho adwuma emaye son kokora omo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo North London na waye adwuma Monday to Friday every anapa 9:30 ekosi enwumre 6 o'clock na edrumida wi na edwumadi ebrewa ubetimi ahweyen ewo live Facebook and our things so live ewo YouTube BWF solicitors into wabeka ho sabri na memo akwabe na wahye page no na wafre obi nso so say the community and the law ahye ase ayede ebrewo nansa ne yebekoro BWF solicitors me wo wankra na mpese wohwe senia wonso odi wondwuma efa yeba openia ene menene bedi nkita ho na afi ode dwumadie no empomposo pa no ede abreye no yene no atwetwe nkomo.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Abusia medase se uguso twame na yedi dwumedi brewo ene eye bosome dubako ne da edi kan eye memenda edi kan yede brewo na senia yenim no se eba no UK ha yenim se coronavirus ede ne ho abagimu yi aban no se yenyina yentena fie yenhye dem kakra ne yenhwe se yade no yebetimi ama ne soate senia esi ekro no ana awiei mewo ho enkutabuo kakra ede ebro sen ena aban emra ode aba se yentena fie na se yenhye dem no yebetimi ate ase afa den na betimi aye den na wontimi nye eno atwi no nso so mesrew se one wo hokafo wo fie enna podwa echina we ebo ne yonko asum echina we to say eden enna ye friend of domestic abuse. Domestic abuse say what UK ha wasitna any immigration samono ebetimi affect your leave to remain ana so wo your application na wo undergo a year domestic violence eden enna obetimi aye I was so report to my police inquiry I was so mafication for ete ana citizen ana so say then na obetimi aye ede abo ho ban na wasitna I think so wetimi aye safe wherever you are living abusia afe no kwa wiye eba no UK mra nhyehyɛ ahodoɔ ne sɛnea esi korɔ no aban no ɛsesa nneɛma mu bebree ɛne dwumadie yi so ansa na mede nkɔmmɔ no ɛbɛbrɛ mɛma update as to nneɛma aba ɛwɔ sɛ wohyɛ no so but before then mame ɛma ɔpani mene no ɛdi dwuma yi akɔ aba. Last week we celebrated a man that's brought us into live with the dream that he had several years ago, over 28 years ago. He is the senior partner of BWF Solicitors, Dr. Bernard Owusu. Say that man for say what to the day no, or say or ye nana obwa omai the first. Uncle Ben, a senior partner, say medical boss on Emma BWF Solicitors, and nyame adarema wasan ama yen kwan se yemra na yene no medin komone yemra wo fie na yemfa the community and the law enfamro. Doctor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You wa kwa baby ye da senso wadaje ene obra ode emma yen sebe ye kase yetua kan ke ntimi ntia nti wode ache yen na ye da wasepe
kwaku yeso ye nyina megina etiefo na mu ene wona wo hwe yeso ye da wase wadaje also all the emagana for nyame nhyira wo
yede nyame ase ya ebusia ansa na yede nkomo ne behyehyɛ so no ene Dr. Ben Mayen, in fact 3 parts. First part a year lockdown ho enhyehye senia esiti na ebiti ate emra no ase ewo UK ha mpo baby a wo Europe na wiase baby a no bia na efa ho senia yesi ye no na betimi aboa de toso mi no nso so Obemayen domestic violence ho enhyehye ene kwan efa so affect your leave to remain in the UK na fe wo questions no concerns no so we ano e de amaya but answer na no lawyer Eunice ewo the update for the week e de MIA.
Michia, your viewers, ne etifunina, so I for this opportunity to do a quick update in terms of your immigration in Brano. Yena yebeti news na government ne a campaign in regards to the end of the transition period come 31st December 2020. Inti yenim say transition period no be ending 31st December no government no so is making people aware such as business people individuals everybody aware say Brano SSA in terms of trade, in terms of the movement of people, in terms of a lot of things to do with British way of life, but in terms of immigration specifically no governments are introducing new points-based system in terms of the fact that so person apply as a student are usually under tier 4 now. There's a new points-based system visa route available for a person we apply for work permit visa, which is usually under tier 2, whether it be general work permit and as a religious minister and as you are just coming to work as a temporary worker, crampono. All these routes, no, they've now been introduced in this new points-based system. Now governments, are introduced to, and since last week, governments introduced a new statement of changes. Say a kind statement of changes are say Parliament at now. I can say in Broadway. And I say yes, sir. Into immigration rules no. Sanya etie no. Omo pese omo de become but omo pese omo so yi bi efrim. Into such statements of changes we no. Omo say omo yi bi efrim. But from the 1st of December 2020 no. Nko omo pese omo ye applications based under the new points-based system no. Ebit to me ISR applications way, and then. From the 1st of January 2021, no, almost to me, ISA Ejuma no, under the new points-based system. As of this year, no, those who are health and care visitors, health and care workers, to me, it's a year applications from the 4th of August, based on the new visa points-based system, and students know so. From the 5th of October, we know, and almost be a year for people to apply as students under the new points-based system. And see, from the 1st of December, all the other routes regarding your work permit visas, your student visas, those who want to apply under the Global Talent route, Innovator route, Startup Business route. Applications waiting now from the 1st of December no be available saying to me ISR applications outside of the UK. Into way na me person me share say in terms of your immigration rules na asisano. And this week, as of Tuesday, 27th of October, and IHS fees no so year 2 more into for adult applicants almost say £624 a year. So we'll apply for 2.5 now, a be 1,560. For Nkwalano, so almost say £470 a year. And so we'll year application almost say sa fees no for Nkwalano, so say 2.5 na we'll be and there a be £1,175 for the 2.5 year period. We know in Kofa be so because so almost a year second time round now in someone ye juma copim sign bray now mutia taxa I didn't see na fast fees no enchamo but can your Immigration Act 2014 who say sa fees no Home Secretary no able to me at any time into say ye per se ye changes sa and run there in there. And for someone who said MPs only available to you. Force yourself to make some time to go and see your MP. Now at least some move to me mobilize some who now at least MPs know who say my serious there, and then hopefully it will be said in Parliament say there has to be a change in terms of Sa Mbrana Omdeba 2014 no. Inti midakweku ase midamuna ase. Bye bye.
Yeah, abusia yeda lawyer Eunice ase say ono so the update ni abrayen eye bibia mepesa wo be hye nso time bia de bre ono wo hye nso se bia wo be hunu de ekro na afi wantimi ma wo ho anchire na se wanka akire ewo bibia mu. We welcome ourselves once again say the community and the law the brewo ane me kai wo se wo UK ha efri nano yawada na aban se coronavirus any AD SCPA numbers no costro ewo UK ha and until for 4 weeks between the 5th of November to the 2nd of December 2020 amount for enshedem say any essential service and a wo ya I was say o shop and answer we dwuma no wotum amount for emma ho and we trade no so say when you will be able to me a share, maybe a within your work bubble. And now also say, ubit me a share, just say a bonting. Exceptions not a day. And now say, why and nas had a fun, then you bit me a then a may mean koto emrano. Now to mrano cry, I say, was such any say. And no, any day can me pass a Uncle Ben a bois na fe watching us here. Uncle Ben, coronavirus, say, you can't say, yeah, underestimating in ye. A free March, ABC a year July muho, a buying a can say ubi antin fee na my lockdown. Nanka expect to set nema ebeko ye na fee yet me a freedom back. Unfortunately, second wave na man fulfills a bear. A pejano and it's alarming. Saying NAC cro, saying that was see huno na yetiasia.
Kweku say coronavirus no ya dia hadwene. The intended ban is it me do them. And it me kum. And senya no dia sanka ye flu although say timi kunipa no na nye as bad as coronavirus na sana coronavirus ne te no yare bi a nipa ana de manipa
okay
nti ye bi a wakohye obi wabɔ wa so bibim wanom bibia no wakodom ano nti na che se yetimi stop se adodo be hia na ne che se yeso yare na no
okay
na ban de aba a mo friend lockdown na a country right na che se England de ye de no wo ho Scotland de no wo ho Wales wo ho Northern Ireland de no wo ho ba ye nyina no sisia no na che se ye wo aspects of lockdown na lockdown nhihye no omo wo bibi omo de buy na level up to 3 levels Scotland up to 5 and Wales up to 4 sa lockdown for now no sa yen yete no England ni yen use ye call just lockdown na nhihye wo mu ni se wo adwuma bi na adwuma no wuntimi enye ofie a utimi ko nema ya tutum nail shop, barbering shop, gym, theater, cinema, discotheque, bars, restaurants. Sa nema na de omatum. Ba adwuma bi a enye sa adwuma ya tumo no a ye adwuma wuntimi enye ofie utimi ko. Until lawyers say yen yaka essential services because of say any court here adwuma court close if our kase court no mom close biom come close backlog by am a law society nso aka say wuntimi nya adwuma ofie wo say wo ba adwuma until lawyers nso ka your essential services be to say omomoton aduane okay you take away and as a grocery shop and our supermarkets obeko akoto ade wo ho omonso no omabie enti sa wo ya Ghana ni na wo Ghana shop na wo ton aduane wo ho a otibibie ade a yen pene so se obi be fie obi ni fie akobi fie ene na akotena ne dem obetimi akohie obi wo outside one on one from different household no omo friend say we create bubble around mo say outside utimi ekohia utimi ye exercise nso ewo outside utimi nye exercise wo gym ana ebiemu nso se we ye busua ni me bi wo ho a mutimi ye titi se na say me nana ba me nchen one me ba pani no because ye family nti etimi ye create bubble ana yen ka se mpanifo no nso ma ye huomo nti se first na ye ka se untimi nko obi a
wanyini
untimi nko no because we are at risk enti we na mu go kakra
okay
but still no e so bia edi nhihye no so se na be ya wo wonya yare ni bi ana so bi wo ho a ne bobie no se na tinintin yare no nya kra na unhu se wanya yare ni bi obehu se o de sign
enkofo kosa
ana yenim
because no anya aware wo bi
because we oye asymptomatic
okay
enti no oni symptoms bia oni nam hotel ye nyina ye ni nam ho enso na ebia yare ni bi hye no enti eye ma ye nyina se ye behwe ye ho so obehoro nsa obehye face mask obe use hand sanitizer the best thing is would ensue running water obehoro nsa any semina enti nsa no nso no ya kyeresa ne ye ho
no
ohoro kosi wa ohoro akosi wa ohoro achi wa ohoro anim wa ohoro mu wa ohoro obore mu kama sa wo di sa ne ma no so na wo nko obi fie nkohia no mo nko ye party e wo demo enko ye disco ene niema wo hye face mask wo shopping of hye face mask na wo ye sure say ufi outside ba ohoro nsa at least ma wo say woni obi e hia ana obi ma obi bi na usom say ye pen say ye sika say ye book say ye file after that no we use hand sanitizer ana say nsuo ha ba ohoro nsa me ye sure say be boa ene newspapers am reading no na ye say aro no kra no say see ye one or under ama second wave no a peaky okay. Which means almost to say encostrubium in fact almost idea man no so mo ba bia wo no e tier system no ɛnyɛ lockdown na because lockdown afi kra na
Afei na yɛahyɛ ase.
mu 2 days so sɛ dɛn nti nyɛ lockdown no but ɛyɛ tier system na ɔmo raising nkurɔfoɔ bebree kɔɔ tier 3 no a ɛno nti no ɛma yɛho nkita hodie ne party ne disco ne bar ne nneɛma no ɛma no ba fam kwakwa ha adwene because nkurɔfoɔ adwuma ɛsɛ
Okay.
chancellor no at the system aba omo frɛ no saa fellow no system no ɛboa kakra but nkrofo bebree nso lusu omo adwuma nti na yade ha adwene bebree em sɛ impa ne yɛbɔ sɛ vaccine na omo yɛ ho adwuma no December omo start mfa wo yɛ na ya kwaku ade ayɛ na esere ne sɛ before no ba vaccine ba na me dia da bi mamum fa me try bi before mamum fa me try say the try brofo no na omo jeans no and na omo the try na omo na yehu omo de ne mfa try bi before ukwaji bi na effect bi wo ho because ye mfa try no na ekoba ne say but minim say bi before try system no e bi before omo di
ebi no so dwen omo say senia ade no eba ye no omo ka say before na ekuyen kese say na tie BME community no and I ho actually people think sebia a conspiracy bi propaganda bi and apeja no ho eno nti say ye penkrofo de quote unquote or my guinea pigs there and any more ye mfa more enkoye and people don't trust the system.
Okay, well, first of all, no, menya sure say a conspiracy. First of all, the reason tia a chi a before kesi a kosochi and kesino a ye juma ye. A before na dodona a ye nursing, dodona ye hospital a juma, dodona ye bus, dodona ye train, dodona ye restaurant a juma. Into me say juma ye no. At the yen koka nkrofo dodo ho.
Okay.
Cleaning. Obi sabio why ni bibia gu ho, why you na wo kopra. Eno ntina eche yen no. However, o hwe Africa. Sisi anoma ka se vitamin D kura na eboa. Awia no first on ka se awia ni vitamin D no mmoa. But sisi o mapa. Abeka se vitamin D ni awia no boa. Ti so betimi afa vitamins vitamin D ni sa anema na fa bi but your problem is your juma ye no hospital juma bus juma train juma cleaning restaurant juma hospitality hotel sa juma ni nyina we juma hotel as a chamber maid obi abada wo ko clean ho e bia wo so bibim
ana nim de ode aba
yeah o serve nsa ana aduane a exchange kakra wo ho enti enum na ase echi more disproportionately but your population will come and I think is about women in kind is about 6 or 7% every before memfa Asians no nka ho enti disproportionately na chi but chi because of exposure na ye my own ye dwuma ye ene ne obi wo ho a skentino on was so tenafie kra na
be asem for
obekwa adwuma no na ebia ne ma ne nema no no munyina ya exposed anu na omaye ho research a omo hwe se ometimi ayema system no ye bompa ese be fair equitable yeah
but I come adeba kwa ebinum so bia monte ase ne se ye be school ye lockdown ye sin kwala ne san ko school oko school no akofa be dia bafia ade ne cycle no embreki nti na nka bia nka omumma school no ye ntum no bia ntene fie
kwaku ohwe ewiase nyina ye frɛ bibia frɛ millennium development goals MDG within the MDG no your MDG 1 MDG 2 MDG your the education ka ho
okay
education is fundamental to human development especially in kola speech thinking power sa group exercise ye de maboma ye kyerɛ mo ade a mo sumusua na maaye application no eboa eni nti na wobɛhwɛ a wo ba odu kakra also de no nursery okusua rhymes ebie na dwemu ma no the memory retention ma no and the outlook enti a balancing act untimi nka se nkola no ntena fie Ghana say me worry pa eye nkola na ompapa mu ni bia oni internet odi besua de afram planes nkola no kwafuom omu nsua de omo retarded ye kasa obi a retarded enye se ogina ho okonechi enti onye progress de enti nka ogina bia bi ogina no mpo a enye hwe but wakonechi because wu nyin enti level na wanyi edu no o se usua bibi at that level no wonsua ndu sa level na wa retarded because age no nka ho ti ade a usua ye fan say 3 years wunyin why be 3.5 4 ye wade a wo se usua unsua 4 na che say wonya progress wa kowachi and that is why a important say be ma nkola akọ school the other part na say your society no hia scientists, hia doctors, hia lawyers, hia technicians, hia computer literate people. Saa de ne nyina no wuntimi nyaye until we see be university na omoko because ye kasa nkrofo ewu every system no e will say replace the system a system na recycle ne ho ti woman system ne bi tofa na kasa ye man kola nko school apart from that no sadly sa crow ya woman very very abusive among kola say fee either sexual abuse physical abuse and any other abuse including psychological abuse akola bi wo ho a ni safety net say we free ni dem ho akọ school ni safety net no enti sa 8 hours of school no you protected because chrono ntimi protecting kola ni nyina enti sa 8 hours no you protected ya kola bi wo ha on school 2 days police kufie eko check because omo known victims of abuse but system now wono so we jano wo ho because ontimi kasa ontimi show last March April within a matter of 1 month no na ma oma suffer domestic violence oma wu no na eye bebree enti system no dey we see bi na yenya vaccine na me hwe so betimi abi because yentimi ma system no
say parent be feel say onye comfortable obetimi aka say in this dispensation obetimi aka say me ma me ban ko school because I don't feel comfortable.
There be parenting is all right no the child's right to education and your parenting na wo the man no eye ade a ya hihya to ho enti se akola mre school no ankwa abuse in fact we a parent na wo ma wo bank school one of the grounds you betimi start care proceedings public law application by the local authority either say a child in need because onya na education no and as a child being abused either way no untimi nka se me ma me ba enko school the fear is legitimate ye nyina ye na we are very careful okay the fear is legitimate but ne development no outweigh wo fear no nya unreasonable but ono nso hia se e wo so develop or into group na wonya saa ni group exercise na ebie na dwen mu e man world outlook no improve na onyi na one retarded
the me can the atwaso no mabisa ne say you say emrano buswa you find no if we 200 they call astro ana ade enya bibi say osenka yetimi encourage yen say yenyina ye mboye ho ban rather than imposing a fine because me mo class and mako pie no be mako manko follow the regulations no now say ba fine me make office way.
Okay, so far statistics I share any metropolitan police omo reports are omo ye na kire say fine no omo apply in very extreme circumstances.
Okay.
Police for no aka say ya ba ofie na nkrofo 6 na wo ho a munyina nti ofie a yehu a ye no bekasa which means I am fine.
I'm fine. Okay.
By a bell fee na ye hu say we party na nkrofo 50 and e wo fee a and ye was say fine now. My who say ya chima me be the handcuff agoninsa. Of course, a situation I am perceiving. But the difficulty ye wono ne say I was see so yare na no. Inti laws are abano application of the law because nipa no na sometimes no or say what the force kakra eka and intina omo the fine no aka ho dodo na edi law no so by ye obi ma omundi so either say yesimem bie adiwe no ebie yesimem ko bia ba no akobia ba yesimem nyesi no aye but say bia yesimem bo tennis na woni obi bo tennis no mu ho a enya de a mbe fine no omo se omo no be kasa
the attract sa fellow ya omo de atoa so nenka the November year ebe end so say the teacher class ebe to so to be March briefly why na qualify saying and you bet me at taking advantage of it na be idea ho akoma ban say na tie madwuma ay affected into 80% ayi amutia no mutimia mai say the bit ayi no.
Okay, well first of all no sa omo a omutimije fellow no ye obi a no wo payroll by April of this year.
Okay.
Enti se dipa no wo payroll so na covid enti na dwuma so atia e wo so tena fia aban so bitua na 80% of the wages.
Okay.
Na o se obeye adwuma part time mawa o betime the 20% no asoso ba adwuma no se otifie de aban etua 80% of the wages. Eye obi a one wadwuma no ye affected by covid se wenye seska we a e wo se wuyi ni panadi omo ne de omo ama sa fellow no but se nipa no wo pese o fellow no e wo se wo ye sure se nipa no first of all no na dwuma na wo se obeye no ombeye ama otifie. The second part I was say as at April, I think it's April this year. I was saying no year dwuma ma. Tenyo bi a wo je na nra wo de na to fellow so. I sound to me hu nkrofo bi a omo demand say omo employers informo and to fellow. Ana employer no say on to fellow. Employer no yes sad decision no. Enti say wo pe fellow na yen say yen fa on to fellow. Unfortunately no hwe ni ho a.
Obetime aye. Abusafo emrano ese yentena fie na yemwa na yembreki the cycle of the virus spreading. Uncle Ben actually yemu se ebana se sebia vaccine eba ni ade ma yenye yadwen se ye bibifo ne de ba ba trial because yetanye there be entesa na actually no nso so yesre nyina yendi emrano so na yemmo yehho eban. The community and the law and yede brewe ebaso memenda area bia efri area no nine ade ekosi no nsia ewo UK ha mo ehwe ye na live ewo Facebook BWF Solicitors and afi nso so ye live ewo YouTube BWF Solicitors. Number is idea adwuma obetumi send o text that dia brain 07950 422 780 07950 422 780 and now say you be 8 lines na number will be friend no more Facebook page no so no we are pinned the number down but me bo ama obi 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. But that's it, sir. What they will comment na me recognize omo me page no so both on YouTube and Facebook. Jefta Kusi Wumpini Adam Daudasari Ebenezer Hope Nanajimai ye Kwame Atajima or say and we from Oxbridge Tilly Duma Dokas Adom Oyukoba Kofi upon Ajare woni yen ewo adwumedie no so na afi dodoa eka ho enyina me say kromfo no so and na dem say jama mo antimi anhia because I was say you close na so so wo fie na wo hwe yen obetimi aso TV no na de smart TV no factory YouTube na hwe yen obenya ewo so ana nso say on your Facebook page we are live nti wo send a comment na ye de ebe bro na Akosia Somoa Wusu Oshayan from Italy also so Yachiao Yame Angel Bisa Fuamo Hamburg Germany and Afe and Crying Adi and so Yachiamo na Edamase say more Koso and Yang Edijme the community and the law BWF solicitors and a day a brain. Straight away my young call the other part na young kofa the other segment of the Komono and Famro and on saying domestic abuse. Does it have any impact on your leave to remain in the UK? Somewhat, ye be chichimu, near maybe how better say. Domestic abuse, crying why. Why and I abuse you be. A member on Kwan, a bro man, and now say man so bro, a member be. Good dear, Uncle Ben, I say, Sembia, will be a catcher will say, the be our banny beman to quite ye, Senna, or banner, the be anno, beman no do food and. Ekodu baby no say mo amami kuno ekopi ho na say oba no na emia no na asesem no so ye ni bresem say can domestic abuse akben emre mo no den na ye ka.
Well, you can say domestic abuse and domestic violence any pattern or behavior of coercive and forceful act either in deed or in word, physically, psychologically, sexually, emotionally, are perpetrated by either a man or a woman against the other person. And one, I will say a pattern.
Okay.
Two, I will say a consistent. Three, I will say either emotional, physical, financial, psychological. Okay. And usually, no. You can domestic abuser and Crawford feel say a punch up and tibia blows, Debbie. And your blows. Home Office definition no Nansea last year and a family law group no yeah sure say you bemba definition no atna because obi wo ho na bi oye adwuma na ne kun ana ne yere agiska no ana ekugu account no mfamma no. Say a wo pese enkogum na man on farm that's fine. But say nya wo pe na nipa no the coercion the kasi coercion ye bibia ye for so ana say we bibia won ninje ho a na domestic violence and domestic abuse. E bin so psychological. Case be am a year be 15 years ni. Ghana ni ba waware Jamaica ni. Sa Ghana ni ba waware Jamaica ni no na oba no sra kuku bata ana onoa yeduane bi e wo se yeduane de aya ehwam aya
umpie fie no we say we do African home
am say man no kra mo ka say yeduane na ehwam kra dodo yeduane ben ni na ehwam se nti oya age se biebi window ni nyina enti etimi ya ahomete kakra. But obi osra koko bata de ukun fi adwuma ba na okase wo ho bon enti pie free ha na although physically no on fan and sa enka no
or title
psychologically no or abuse. It may be say enye bema na e ka kire oba. It may be say your ba ana e ka kire bema. E ba kroma foforo madam fopa oye NDC ni aye minister da se si akra oye MP na ne yiri ano no ne wo ho no ye no ma no na adanim kwaku be hu se nani bi wo ho a apartment ubia we share toilet and sana we rura danim na toilet no da enti oba no ma no na dem ho no da toilet we are say
radio
enti na oda toilet ho but sa niema we no wan so oba no mo no oba no en kika wungu no so ba o ma no mbeda edan na nkase enti ofi adwuma ba anadwo no na wakose ne kete e wo toilet no ada obi bi za na asema nka ben kan no mpani ba bi mfai There be by application in home office or the Obana na those days say na enye 2 years impo na 1 year after 1 year no enya we indefinite. Ti Obana na age na tena ha otete no sa. Now no se bibisa na esia that's psychological. The other example at the Biamema, again, Ghana, ni, Obano, Bemano, Jamaica, ni. Minim didn't tell you my Jamaica for your answer. Again, bus driver, na girly, winter dua, Bemano man in Jarre, our bathroom or the punishment, no. Or man who could Jarre warm garden, can you imagine? Yes. Apart from so baby to me who know a free baby no a hono money journey. Now the sad thing is Sanya man about him na or try say or make money pana who say Emrano a protector there be eventually on a guy no worry ama enunti of ahunya setena. But the entire register issue ni nyina say e fa setena ho. Bon so bi wo ho a bema no ba ebia oba no na kono no se one bema ebeye bibi na bema no afoso no eya warem ye fie die krom die beka se oba de we nya boxing nti bema ne se na kondo wa e wo se tene wo ho na oma na kono no utimi ema no ekofom. Unfortunately no me very careful so me kasa asem ya menim se still your community no me timma o mo kasa oba de ku person foul was all man of foul of course you know that I know your view but me kasa legally no anya right enti se bibisa esi na wo wani nje ho na enu nti no asetena nti no ebia o feel say there be ma me ntena ho saa na me nkama no ntuma kwan wo ho a aban na hyehye a utimi ehwe so ade mawo asetena menkase kutwantro because we evidence no ye be test no e court dem pesa me kan say memma asetena nti oba bi ana ba ma bi ebe time weni menka anytime kwa meka anytime a enyemra kwan so
okay
sabio se opanyum bi na anyum no ye ma ofie ho a no nkire se domestic violence but however instances amama udware outside winter time o koko bata yese mensra sabio bi a wanoa abenkwan kama bi ade momoni bi atum a ebohwam kakra na be ma no so mpa you can obit me a compromise but se basse a pattern you will also pattern na be domestic violence.
And me next question nanka ba pattern Korea working so say saying there was say sikoso eche ansana abeye sa pattern na ye kan na kwan be so na mitimi a report.
Kwaku first of all no menka say was say a pattern ti ye bo wasuma na ugina ho ana say yitiwa na ugina ho ana say ye yew yakayaka di bia na ugina anya no na America. The pattern no ohwa definition na me ma make psychological,
okay,
make financial, and I make emotional, and I make sexual, and I make physical. Sexual no that really doesn't have to be a pattern. Mama is another example. Girl wa worry bema. Sorry, a warrior. Brilliant. Na bema no ono ade opa na se opa na chi. Enti for 3 years no ba na chi nko na offer. Enti girl no ye bold no ka kire ne sofo. Ti ne sofo no ne tena ase. Ama omoka asem no. Yese bema nso no oye bema pa. Enti na chese odi abayo na wu.
Okay.
Ama doctor bema no, doctor reporter or the support to ye no chese we pray no internally.
Oh.
Enti sa pattern no a pattern enti no ye one another pattern ne say ye tua oka ukun agiska ni nyina 1 day ye tua oka ukun agiska ni nyina 2 days ye tua oka ukun agiska ni nyina o pese okoto ebia nkun a wode ye wati pons a wode twi wanim ana lipstick a wode twi wano a ose mempe ana se ose wode mini upia jawenim dry sa mempese obetwi pons na sana upia mema no hwe no mempe ana se woni ni pia de bia no na odi wachi na bema bi hu no hwe wa ose ada na bema na hwe now one say a pattern those issues no nyade a wo report but a idea a pattern a psychological I don't say more untin no o blame say wo na wagya wo ho say wo nam no be ma bi ahwew ana ono akọ asori ana ono akọ partner be ma bi ahwew now I keep saying be ma ahwew because
it has see wo mema mu
that's correct but it has seen so ma man so timi eye mema sa ye hu bi da a man timi ye mema sa either way no ye man no say memma asetena a wo peninti no ebeka wano asi ade a ni se wo sofa no na wo sofa na affect you psychologically emotionally mentally ni sa na ma ni nyina ade a wo se wutu ho anamo na say ade a wo ba kromu akra na wanya 1 month odo say visa no sinkadi 5 years na dia ma no enne no ugina domestic violence so a your ma indefinite leave straight away.
Member ye ekwan be fa so na say wo go through domestic abuse or dey ebe ye wo application lawyer for no ebe kire him but mami emi say angaben domestic violence I say ye ken ya koye oba na okunu bema ene ne yire ho asem but then ebetimi abanso so say bia ebe affect obi ene ne ba obi ne wo fast obi ne busuani bi because along the line yetimi kofa ye busuan for ba ye boa wo mo abenya setena na abrabo no obebo bi e wo hanom ne ade does it have to be between a couple or partners?
Okay, well the Mameka 2 aspects. Family Law Act of 1996 I think is part 5 a far non-molestation and occupation order and no I will say a familiar relationship or intimate relationship. And now I say familiar relationship or intimate relationship with extended family. Omona witimi application for either a non-molestation or occupation order under the Family Law Act of 1996. And we are different. The year Kenya ubitimi agina so the agia setena no. A familiar relationship. Meka familiar relationship menka obi a wonimu no family na the description a friend of familiar relationship and first of all no I will say nipa no your partner you heard definition of partner under the immigration rules one obi a waware no two obi a on na atena for 2 years obi a oya was civil partner bear in mind a civil partner no same sex partner and heterosexual relationship and so etimi create civil partnership sa nkrofo no ene omo family enti yemfa nse kwaku yauta no ode akua tene wa aba UK one ne maame nete enti oba ne ti hobi typical Asian family Pakistani family that's how they do it family ni nyina ate wuku no do pew but ne maame no empewasem enti ono no time wani it doesn't matter protection awuku edema so ne maame no oye no ntimi stop ne maame a that itself no a constitute grounds utimi edebe case against no agina so say bibi a serious I bet my application for a non-molestation order and I say occupation order the south thing is say wo koso ye oba na ba masa utimi tu efrifie aban no timi a court timi agina sa ade na wo ye no so no de tu efrifie nti ade a wo se ye nyina ya dwen nti nye wukun ana wojere wo mpena eka ho a chire you bisa question a ye be explain it further say why am na immigrant group be na a cover or deal with it but anya be man na oba na nko but obi a eye na busuani e betimi aye ne ba case be a mama beautiful woman papa na kofa na matu a free Ghana and more time mama nene enti that itself no aye grounds for a non-molestation order itself no aye grounds for domestic application either under DV and I say under the destitution grounds no either way no ebeka ba
and you know me mrasa question korea so say yenhwe kwan ya fa so na obi betimi take advantage of that na wagye ne ho free sa atiti no mu wotumi agina ne nan so because ye kan na akoyen krata se me na mkofa obae eno nti metete waka wano atum na nso so sabe uye nipa yi di aban epeso obo ho bai se me experience domestic abuse na me report to a then was me di kan ye in the process se me kope maseta na mateme ho free baby atete do no.
Okay, well first of all no a case of Suleiman 2020 High Court Judge knows eka say we need evidence cry now what the one no can now we believable okay enti so one report to cry now one kwana we nim say we suffer domestic violence na we betimi agina so the application so one kwana evidence one no asem kwana fine because we say psychological when our reporter man maybe with GP wow mo buy nche we are careful
unim system then so
yeah
wona mo crowd show
yeah say you are over on police agaje police ni say na me kun for so me no farm obere hu you know financial say mo joint account na be man abuse scanner one na wo ka kire no enti say wo evidence are helpful but we need evidence the fact say what they were not kwa na e kan na wa kire gu paper no so no eno kra nso boa obi a o face sad ni bia no witimi free women's refuge o call internet so I free be women's refuge o me ma ba bia atena ma protection ye wo men's risk BBB me try hwede no yie to so ye be ma o sofa o from nso a o nso betimi ama o baby atena but the bottom line is say we will be first of all no person will take advantage of men can advantage because who use no say na mra no ma ho kwan because ye say use because the enti amo this amra no ba ne say ye hu say immigrants bi wo kromo ha omo go through sa abusive relationship domestic violence emotional psychological physical sexual financial omo because of former sitting and intino omo ye concern say me kwa anim aye beje masitena ana obi aka kire ne say ukoya oya menya wasetena no ma oya menya masetena obi wo ho a ne yire na du indefinite ni kun na du indefinite oka kire home officer da bi me pese mo man indefinite me pese me so no hwe biom ti ya 5 years mo sa man 2.5 nkan yes home office will listen to the person to prevent sa niema no because of abusive relationship ne niema still no o dwen wasetena no ho no ana mo yes alloy enti sa alloy se wo pese wo take advantage first of all no e was say wo ye obi a ya maw asetena based on say wo ye ayere ekun empana same sex partner and civil partners
okay
e was say be ma no ana oba no minim de nti ameta ka me e was say be ma no ana oba no aye obi a oye British or indefinite ukra refugee status ana or amemo 4 British indefinite refugee status
and that's all
ame first na refugee for nka ho ana case court nti under 353 paragraph 353 no anom de omka ho under 276 DE am say almost ehye ho and again no under the FM route no there was special provision for couples either say why 2.5 once say amount 2.5 no bia no utimi ejina so de and now we army wife and our soldier a year and I eku under AFR appendix AFR amount 3 years utimi de say either 10 years route and now 5 years route still utimi de but our application no letter na the buy no I was here true say the amount under the partner route under the partner route and to say under the partner route to say EU there's argument say under the EU rules no ubetimi use domestic violence but in very limited circumstances, I friend retention of right. I know you're different. I don't know say divorce and niyama ebem. But me can't wear ebia wo visa no kra ewu. Because law no ma ho kwan say visa no kra ewu. Na o last visa ya de ma no ya de ma say yiri ekun ana empna. Either say soja ne yiri ana British ne yiri ana indefinite ne yiri ana refugee yiri ana ekun a utimi gina so ede.
Abusia se obi etetew ewo fie se oye ne ho kani ana se ne ho kani no bia na busua ni bia mo ne tie etetew a bacho entena ho to anamo se ye wasetena ene onkrata anti ene waye ho na wote ho a wanhwe a obewu ewu bi a sebe na yan classify ne ye to ho anamo ebi se emra no ebo wo ho eban. Uncle Ben, questions now no ede amay or express ye advantages any opportunities I wo ede amay na yetimi ede agina so aye bibi. Na se utimi eye asetena no na wo towa sebe ubetimi contribute better to the community and obusiafo so any wadofo bebre so asum ebejo me kasai and na he na kofia yemseyo and na adwoa na wotetemi o ne ade ni nyina how are they ha amanfo ni nyina so ebetwa the community and the law and na e ebro ye hwe domestic violence any impact will live to remain. We question any or text no metimi agi text number no so 07950 422 780 and now say ebren so abefre 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Me ba na fi me last bit of questions and they ama Uncle Ben na fi me no about between and community ye krado mo ewo ye Facebook page no so no there was a Doctors Adom Nanajiman any abusuafo munyina yadamwase so fire joy abeka ye ho sesia me were questions be ewo Facebook page no so me pick it up but yenyi yenkomo no enwie obetimi so a text the abase ne mabo number no 07950 422 780 or 0208 123 1016 and ben bacho me misa say mene akwesi any akosia mansa eneti community no na mehu se de bia ateti koso ama akosia mansa na so mo nwo no kra metiti mu na me no mo ye neighbors ntino minim bi nti a bibi sa ekoso bi obaye na no den kakra nti enne na waka bibi na ati akosi ye ade be chen wo se me ma ye mfa wo krata emma ho because what tete me and say umume ana bibi emotionally oba na ebre ne krata asemi nso so nti waye din na wote ho me a metenchen no metimi akọ report to say me nua be wo bre because of XYZ reasons nti teach you ne krata asemi nti na me kọ report to say anso a ye beji atum
well well Kweku, first of all I'm so Obekai Boris on a girlfriend ye punch up be ewo Peckham. I'm on Crawford record doy. I'm on Crawford Edebeto Facebook, my newspapers record. So we are concerned say ubi face physical abuse. Ubi to me a report. I okay. So we report, especially where our bono or think kemu ne sa niemano. The problem me wono say obi koye kokonsa na onim ade a ekoso na wafre policy na policy abegina dan na no enya ade a etwa because bear in mind say be before na issues with the criminal justice system say ensure that nye fair no e hadwene enti basa wate kai popopopo ne niema of course obetimi a report basa wate say the normal because menka normal one of argument between Ubin and a year and I make a men corner na bia or more year argument and shut in foul However, so what be worried obetimi ebisa nipa na or ye weni say or issue ana. Now why explain am and say men suffer in silence. Kwaku I think say your main problem you want cultural.
Okay.
Case be am a year. This is about about 20 years ago. Beautiful girl, our Figana, but young girl. I think at the time she was in her 20s. Nani Kunu, no, yeah, in the 40s. Nani Kunu, a minicab driver. Or yeah, Juma around the clock. And I wa born homoding at to a dime, say no, and dime by 8. In Tobana, Juma, and say, oh, Tifi, which is normal. Onwediane sini niema to ne niema eh normal say mwache ifie adwuma no ti be ma no ye adwuma discover and oba no nso hwe very normal. But the other part ne say no abuse no a bro and a sa niema no enti case no ba manim no ye de call court minya call efri ne maame ho efri Ghana. Hey, na lawyer usu na mpacho me bay mpacho yes ana be me bia nware ni biomo enti ma me main concern say oba na ni kun akofa na free Ghana aba no the time no ma wutu no say ebra ni kun bro no ne ayakayaka de abema na ye no say ode no kokota obema bia enware oba na bi, and we get that a lot in the community. Ain't in your training as a family law specialist, both resolution and law society family law panel, no, and my special training, what they check it, Sanya may. It will be by many money, will be na me catch any part of song call out. So your bow or bema, your training me send a meet me enya information. Inti first of all, me biano training panel, me train idea was so yeah, me train say it needs to suffer in silence. But I'm also aware of the cultural implication. Ama yama mi bi kra unimu no. Last week no, me na ka friend me che Uncle Ben, wo tro mu kwan ya, wo be so ma ware you. Na your culture no de, ya nya ni sa o na so hima me lawyer. Asa say lawyer. E ba culture no so ye be kan was, but see no, kapa me hye no say, me pese wo hu say wo sa yakayaka yi mu a enya da chi obi nwaro ni ntina un take action. I will say we take action. A choice, but bear in mind, sir, the statistics say what say domestic violence issue, mostly, no, a pattern. Intinya dia ya one off. Obey excuse. Say okay, me kun was stress intinancy on no monsa and into no bomino. Well, I am yensa, I am nine, not still by excusing the behavior. That is a choice. But I'm saying, say, quite won't suffer in silence, ubit me a genaso, I mean, it's I idea aware of the culture. I mean, nobody loves the culture more than I do. But I'm also conscious, in situations where I want you very careful, now cultural clashes, one here not at the problem or but I be an fatality. You need to go in hard and stamp it down.
On a scale of 1 to 10, say obijna domestic abuse so at the year application, success rate need to say.
The problem is you refuse to any right of appeal, and usually at the moment I think domestic abuse cases over the last 5 years I have back open and successful, and there was a good reason why, because actually amu so bana be man kra o mabom enti o mabom naturally say one of the element it was a woman so our really break it down because of domestic violence ni ho but one kan kire yen actually say I don't know be man the evidence call say o mabom because no person ba no be nya indefinite straight away in terms of be advice no to call back of an year ti baby ani nim so ba na te e wona dan for fie ona de ba no So now I come back to Bema and fear on anything. Techire Bema and gather evidence in on the common home office say or ban application and yano crap. Menete, you say that's what into that element, said the marriage has broken down because of the domestic violence. That's our element, anyhow. But overwhelmingly, I think say successful. Particular one, very difficult one. Nancy winning, it was a brilliant success. Francis na yes, our case, ba nice lady, na ostama, ain't one way on your good witness. But going to court, she will have to go and give evidence. Then the stammering, challenged. One of those ones. I am very, very challenged. Now, almost stammer, so I'm very careful. Obeka so you be and channel the boy because all struggles and the most beautiful success. Our bar was suffer, no suffer. The case, I travel, I think 2 years, but a couple of weeks, semi-bumenia. I'm say 3 or 4 weeks, court no ade aba say omodi amano enti but nyina the quality of evidence make evidence I mean paper it may be paper but it may also be oral said the wo can evidence because in law you can be evidence it can be evidence of physical evidence or it can be oral evidence either way so we are believable nko na e be crowd or witnesses sometimes a boa case now.
We the futu mema the church, but a prevalence away in community no
very a prevalent and I'm sure sir man and mind say me can we almost suffer pa and most of them almost ferry some be be at the ferry part ayi two one say wa fairly on say omuhu marriage say akwantu enti wa money homode and sometimes nso no omu blame omu atena ha ma obi aka kirem say lawyer me sure say me sometimes na ya me kire me hododo but I will kire no nye asumbo ana say atemdidie Bema only oba no kire no ho a say I was also ma wa no ye de kakra ebia o ma wa no nye de but the bottom line is kwaku so go through problems either say physical sexual psychological financial o ho kwan say obetimi ama home office for ama wa setena enye because say wusuro say wokoka ye ma wa setena nti no wo ka mo a ani ma wa setena men kase kutwantro enye no na America because oba ye wo question ye very sensitive nti enye bibia na ye obi wo ha be de ma lawyers man bi but an America say me train so your ba na be ma no a very difficult this week cry menya ba ko a very very difficult problem na ye a your ba na be ma relationship sexual in nature usually no be ma demand about about the sexual relationship it creates problems now to get this information I was say nipa no trust you
okay
first of all and I was so fairly comfortable because it can be very private very very private and intimate and you also you're very careful but I keep saying say enye no ntini obetena se ne yakum obetimi etu ho anamo say enye asetran so na wo de pe na wo ye concern na obetimi aye court order against nipa no na we jaw how ana say utimi kra etu no fifi nti mema na momo feel say na what order nti obetimi atan oba na nene oba na nkasa ebetimi etu afrifi ho ya ye bida Ghana mema no mo my experience we were in San we are as far as fair as we can be but the bottom line is you fire juma in the cross about any of those issues
0208-123-1016. Domestic abuse, a year impact a bit me will leave to remain UK and Uncle Ben. Senior partner BWF Solicitors or Chichimu a day WhatsApp messages kakra ewaha and fame so let me see if I can go through some of them on the Facebook page. Amos Day or great lawyer Papa that's Linda Obing say thank you Uncle Ben for all you do for the community. Nana Akusua Sumwa Usu. What's hello Usu? Uncle Ben Bernardo Usu Musumi Kokusu for pointy. I don't know which one of us you are referring to, but Yaji Atum Ida CP. Najima will say his grace is sufficient and remain blessed. Naraji might be also Sabrana Uncle Ben Eka MP na or that toilet so every was say Ubi Manso MP pa Semo Gifty Siama say indeed God is great and what the Nedia Abba. But I mean call WhatsApp the no so na main share me questioner edikai na fe min fa emra 07950422780 07950422780 obi ade ode abani ankabaniti yetwa so na me misa se o say Madame Fo, a European national from Italy, they are in the UK and have applied the EU settlement scheme online for her family, but could not do it for her younger daughter. When they tried to apply for her, they asked her to provide her old number she used to register before, but they have lost the number and it was a pay-as-you-go SIM, so they don't even have it anymore. Is there any way I can apply for her by sending her documents to the Home Office instead of doing it online? Say EU settlement here, yeah, say bitimi aye ho adwuma nsa na afino akọ na wi ho question.
Okay, well, EU settlement no say wo ye application na wo ye no online ana what phone ana ye enti omo security features bi a omo use e bi ye email and it be your phone number. So your application now, your phone number, na your mobile phone number, because I'm sending text abroad na wait me akoswa register. However, so person was sad na ube here one of nema two no. Enti say a phone number na ayera. U log in na u call access route access side now omo be omo friend no change circumstance change circumstance no men fa phone number nchen biom enti so what reference number and I want a passport now what the passport no bisa passport be na we use now the date of birth and do be course obetimi akọ but so person so sound so a we use a reference number and a passport now and also the obekoso instead as obe use number phone number na omo de text be brown use email enti omo ye email no be send no text no code with the code ni shema na wa koso na wa ka say change mobile phone number. Okay, what's the sign ebesa aba na wa ye email so na person what's the sign na was so code no obetimi but say wontimi nkai na wontimi nya ne saa o from omo abeye ama so omo de obeko security check no eye wo fill wo application no omo bisa questions me answer. 1 ye wo wen 2 either say ye wo papa wen and I na wo call primary school and I na wo ye wo wedding and I first car ben na wo toy and I na wo ye wo first choose question na wo be kai. Okay, usually no me use ye wo wen ye wo papa wen and the other one no cry I'm say another very easy question. Either say
my maiden name
and now call primary school. And I now call primary school
favorite football team.
That's correct. Tomu bisa sad na and I want two from one and no be bisa. Ultimate go through sa questions na omo on the telephone no.
Omo who say you
yeah, offer one check at least between 5 and 10 minutes no mama so. Menya sure say 10 minutes cry be do. No mama so no aka chrom so when our application na o phone no wuni ti code no mo ne ba ne nyina no kosen so
sanka
enti nka omo nsesa mawo o metimi aboa no maye ama
okay Agben, a question weighing so about or say meta sende sika adeko busan for ewo Ghana. Sika no menkyerɛ de ɔmo mfanye nemum mekyerɛ sɛ meta de sika no ɛkɔ sɛ me print receipts and say transfer in evidence na yemmisa me sɛ sika no me de kɔkɔyɛ den because menkyerɛ sɛ sika no fa away
there be sɛ we use EU law akɔfa wabusuani abakromo ha na abusuani na akɔfa no sɛ nya wo ba ɔyɛ under 21 na ɛwɔ sɛ wo kyerɛ sɛ wo hwɛ no ti bi ne money transfer no ti but ideally the end there ne sɛ ye table enti table no make table sɛ na be obi ate ase but the technical word no Excel and a spreadsheet enti we table na bonkum no ade a obia bi nti wudidi unum nsuo bia wokɔ hospital ana okosuku ofoka otonku sra oto atare hye ane sa ne manema no enti o tablet it can be anything, it can be gas, water, ane sa ne ma no enti ska wo de kɔ no betimi aka sɛ ebia bosome no me de 50 pounds na akɔ 50 pounds give and take Ghana also size about advance 350 cedis 350 cedis no etimi hwɛ obi completely enti
obi bosome akotua no
yeah ti wo na wo sɛ wo kyerɛ ade a nipa na de yɛ na it may be say nipa no ewo income kakra but wo income no the other command nso yɛ income a ɛkɔ ho ana receipts ɛkɔ ho a ɛboa but wo de no dɔɔso sen na adwuma na ɔyɛ no ni nyina no betimi akyerɛ it may be say scan no de bitua rent it may also be say abia or project bia sub school bia ɔkɔ a tertiary it has a technical school and bibi foforo and also to fees it doesn't matter once I watch say ska we kɔ na nipa no obia ne basic needs wo ho obisa akola kra wo ne basic needs once we meet basic needs no that for me that is fine.
Okay. Yanko Humano so 0208123116. Uncle Ben Ewaha Obeboa a question ano a day amount the community and the law and your day bro the edry a questions no concerns so no yashe domestic violence and the impact a war will leave to remain a war chrome ha and our things so a COVID-19 restrictions are your day ato yen so a war England and the UK ha so your day ho and como 0208123116. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Bacho, I just saying.
Bacho, nyame adome hu.
Good. Bacho wadaruma yeah Uncle Ben Ewaha na ye nyina ye so yaso nti fire away na afi yankoi.
Okay. Me worry na me read na de me back from hase. Na last year na yenya misunderstanding bintena police bemo. But at the end of the day, the areas of where. But in the process this year, not offering more. Offering more than a lawyer Nika says, Miriam Media making my apply for indefinite. And I mean, my lawyer near process now to apply for the indefinite. But to my surprise now, after say delay for 6 months now. Now we 5 years did that, not 5 years inside, not 3 years old. But almost me up to June next year. Hello?
Yeah, Tio.
Yeah, almost me up to June next year. If there is any changes, man happens, I say it's of indefinite now. Almost me up to June. Why is they say they make it a biometric need too? Almost the back on also can't hold me.
Mpacho, wo yire no na asetena be no wo.
Oh, EU.
Anna, how many years?
Yeah, worry 2017.
Enti ana this year no wui.
This year February no film.
Ana na owu no ye adwuma.
No ye adwuma.
Ana wo se wo ye application, wo ye ne say.
Lawyer no na year application need to so apply for indefinite amame.
Ana wo se mo up to next year.
Omo ma me up to June. Until more returning 5 years na 5 years biometric no. And the one that expire June, I know about 7 months now with the mommy. Until more the 2 biometric need na buy.
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, no, sir, wujina EU retention of right under regulation 10. And I say regulation 10. Sir, who person we application, sir, obi ewa. Owo niema we se wujina so. It seems sir, sa niema ni nyina owo. Nti me nya sure sir, omo ma up to June. Also worry 3 years ni.
That's right.
We a paper application and now we are online.
Oh yeah, a lawyer na to me man marriage certificate, a man a death certificate ni BBR bank statement, married bank statement ni BBR ka hoba.
But it seems ABR yeah paper application because paper application we are the mouth by June I was so be app the NB EUSS no. So minor we application no omode we no ba no letter omode ka no o copy wo
omode the letter ka ho express the condolence my wife free me.
But wo copy wo a o mind ye wie we a text brem na men hwa de why
mpacho yo
ma men fa me number ma wo ukra pen.
Okay. It's paper, my main friend. Okay. Me the phone was in a store. But what's my friend number now?
077.
Okay. 077
12
12
761
761
884.
884.
Trying to picture.
Okay.
Let her na
what's that
problem? I think sir or lawyer no ye or you sue EEAFM and I say EEAPR. The problem is by next year June no more year paper application you know I was some switch a call app or online EUSS and I pre-settled status and I settled status no.
Okay, and number me the last year and I almost my pre-settled status.
We had that last week.
Last year, and I mean that's why I'm wife for me EU settlement.
But we just show the lawyer na yeah.
Me name the yeah.
Okay, what the letter na bring yeah. Why?
Okay, you Mati.
Okay.
You may take them out.
Yeah.
But your WhatsApp one.
WhatsApp, yes, WhatsApp.
Okay, you patch you me there.
Okay. Yada CP also betimi afre lines no open to say 0208123116. Uncle Ben, we say answer be able the next call. So say now that would be a renew ni 2.5 years and chakra. Now he will be applying for a fee waiver, but unfortunately he mostly sends money transfer to Ghana. Would that affect the fee waiver application?
Yes. Transaction be a bank statement so no. So we application for fee waiver. Either say one, we are because 5 grounds now bit me there. Either say we are destitute. We are at risk of destitution. You can't afford it. And because of particular exceptional circumstances, you know, we dementia. And I said because of a child in first now 3, say 5. Any of them, no, destitution is in relation to money and accommodation. Risk of destitution, money, accommodation. I can't afford it, money
and accommodation.
Exceptional circumstance, money. Akola bi nti wuntimi nya adwuma kese, money. Enti say, oh money. Now money now winya no. utimi di bi akoma Ghana for there and say na ubetimi afford fee no that is the whole thing and nti wo way no betimi or money transfers ko Ghana no in fact anya say betimi affect you nti wo say we explain it nkrofo dodo wa ha omo wo emma e wo Ghana oba nso de wo na wo hwe no nti say wo ma na wo ba aye explanation how betimi de am aye okay any say no affect you. However, so woman wo ba ma na wo maami ama na wo papa.
Yes, who will be now with the
Not just who will be now wo hwan crofo. Enti as far as we are concerned, I don't very affect you.
Okay. Overall, so a day about or say domestic abuse application, not say or ban, but me person me say one of the partners. A day application say ye dimeni. Enti me pese ye mami asitana me tweme ho afri ho nipa o accuse no se or abuse no obetimi atia application ni mana.
Well, first of all, no one for application cause mo mami asitana me tweme ho e was say wa twen ho. Okay, it's simple because domestic abuse and domestic violence no the effect ne say egu aware no me kase mo ye divorce but eno nti ne watwe enya afi na metwe me ho say ya bo kun tietia wo so na still wutimu a problem because aware ni enti wo say watwe ho no the other part no entimi entiem however obi owo kromo abi atimi ma home office evidence against enti so ono ate say why application no evidence application na we na yentro example what say when you kunti ono nso evidence say was sending a text I miss you I love you I'm coming home your food is in the oven I've waited for you why you no home na na
So they are no win no.
na shesa ware no enti so de no kwa and in case na America no na oba na kwatena be ma no ho enti law so no anything to do with separation and divorce including domestic violence no I was say a creative situation untimi entwa aware no so and our relationship no so.
Okay. 0208 123 1016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, at the same mommy.
Pacho nyami adom. Pacho good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacho wo. Kami bisa se me pesa me family sister Biba. Nana mi bisa se me ko Ghana ne ko edie na matiti ese ho na efo. Na ka bisa Mr. Pankre bench o ntre me clinic kura aja British embassy no be accept. And na me pacho me question so number 2 Western Union can I am sending no. En kolani bi akwadro ya system am ye ne mobile so. Nti o mo nkan ko bank. Bisa busa nke ben say mobile one ne bank no me pacho mu de he na ebe ha me. So mu di receipt no mo ko print o MTN na na say bank de ndem send ye de but me wo MTN de no dodo na
Ohema first of all no o send this car either by mobile or MTN and answer or bank akoje no ni nyina ye okay na say kra bank kono kra na say Ghana wo kwa o ma wo chedodo nti wan ko bank no kra eye bibia wo ye bia no wo evidence enti mean who said okay and for example yeah we me nyame me money transfer business and come there no mo chi o dem am fa we nchrew send wave into send wave okay me the flash mo obi am sending is ka bia wo so but so we tap sender so tap sending so every month bia no omo brew
statement
omo brew statement enti ora we no or the abase October statement ni bibia we ye bia no statement was say Western Union na omo inbuilt statement ubi say omo mbe ya aba ba omo inbuilt way say Unity Link omo Ghana for cry apart from Unity Link dem biem na omo ye omo nkwana na aka omo
na aka na say Ria but no cross say solely Ghanaian but solely Ghanaian na Unity Link
anu nkwana yeah say omo ne world remit enti ohima Se okọ bank wankọ bank wo evidence no wo phone so. Ti no na wo say we use. Wo from kra mbetimi aye ama akọ akire pa ama wo de aye. Why? The other one no. Wo say DNA, Ghana DNA honefo. Ghana ye ni DNA bia wo ho. Ghana DNA bia ni Ghana. Afa na opese ye di bi ko a ma ye ndi nkomo ne mfa nko. But Ghana no DNA bia ni ho. Ana British government no owo omo a wa certify omo. DNA company a me meyi ama wo no eye Anglia DNA because eno no eye ye nyina ye nua Bema Dr. Thomas Hazel ono na ye ne dia. So no na sem na wo ka dia ene fine. DNA no na wo ka se wo be kwa akoye wo Ghana na wo kwa Ghana wo ntua play fair. Anglia also why Anglia DNA no kra no mate omo fees no so by I think about Patrick by about 20 or 30%. Enti se wo pese wo ye DNA fa UK bibia ho a ye free bibi MOJ Ministry of Justice omo approved DNA providers omo nkwa na aban no agitum ukoye ne wo babia because boot kra ye DNA so baby wo ho na wonye too sure utimi ne no fa ho na koto sample ni bi na wo de aye but DNA a kromo ha ye som eye Anglian DNA ene omo amokeka ho Anglian ne de bia bebo
Dr. Hazel, Mamito Onka. Me more clients with me.
Oh, la bia.
Uncle Ben, me that me bacho me hu se last kra wo ni so ho me hu ni bibia me twa ho kra.
No kra.
No makasa.
No kra.
Me hu se manager na nkasa so ba ho me won number ewo wa de no so me fi. Na me bacho wo Uncle Ben, question de wit wo kra na me ja oni brakoku. Na mpacho o ka bibi sesi a say sa enya oba na so ye less than 21 years ati say wunia onye me baby de no wutimi me dey feel say wuti kan no mpacho me nua no me say me show can say odi yewe I am yo me dey feel say wuti kan no
match spreadsheet ana Excel ana table.
I can order my friends. I mess up with that. Bro, for no ida.
Man, everybody.
But bro, for any kasa thing how why?
Ayo.
Many about me that say me a show. Offering to meet me. Bye. 0208123116. Pacho share your link no Emma Afronso in your live Facebook BWF Solicitors and I think so your live YouTube BWF Solicitors. YouTube with the Facebook, yes, you can transfer onto your smart TV. No one kakaka. And pay will be fair me say. Media me pe YouTube link and because I didn't meet him there to me TV so na my hand can find details in here whatever it is Facebook and so bit me transfer to your smart TV na wash BWF Solicitors. Uncle Ben, we say at London on any crew and any parents in it here. Samila works and money is paid into her bank account. Nasebano who controls all the household finances holds on to the bank card and ne adie but wa ba man so gina so na memba na me nkomo we and the mother-in-law no takes her to work and picks her up from work and has confiscated her mobile phone. Outside of work hours, Salima is not allowed out of the house, and when the rest of the family are absent, she is locked in the house without a key. We are a typical domestic violence.
Absolutely. I spot on. I good. Could read in the biome na nkrofonti
Salima lives in London with her husband and her parents. She works and the money is paid into her bank account. Her mother-in-law, who controls all the household finances, holds on to Salima's bank cards and does not give any money to her. The mother-in-law takes her to work and picks her up from work and has confiscated her mobile phone. Outside of work hours, Salima is not allowed out of the house, and when the rest of the family are absent, she's locked in the house without a key.
Yeah. And we intro a live case amoka because you have examples be brave. And yeka controlling behavior pattern coercive controlling. First of all, anya punch up. Omono. But first of all,
did any papa?
Yeah. Na baby anisika kono. Waje card na friend nsem. Okwa adwuma na de noko. Obefia na de naba.
Ah, sembe.
Omo pia na ma lock no dem ho.
Because my wife over.
That's right. Na one say enye be man no you. Eye maame no. But sa case we a typical case wo de call home officer. Na ya mawo wo ba kromo asa we ye yere.
Me kra na me case workers our case we me hwe application no kra.
We nya ho asete na. Enti ya typical domestic violence.
At TV be ya. 0208123116. Hello, good evening. Hello. Oh. Oh, so na jina yi o line no entimi nyina so. Oh. Okay. But your sign for you na yemfa o dia. Ofofo so e was so. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, Kwaku.
Yes,
good evening, Uncle Ben, Nana Obuanipa.
Them but what here, Nana Obo mine.
Nana Obama. So, yeah.
But
Uncle Ben, Pacho, dear. Na yemi ababi beka sa sisia na me pese me so me de akra etoso na me bisa bibi wo on say so send scan wo tap any word remit ni how send waves na on say wo de wunya email say what send this amount to nipa so but if you know almost say I'm the answer on my message we say you receive this amount from the NTN. Enti wo de wo receipt ya e be kire say wo di scanner command pass na GCC kama ba ono no ifie no nipa na wo send scanner command no she ono so nya me kan say correspondent ono so nya receipt ya e kire say e ye wo de na kura wo no e ye wo na wo de say scanner bra na ne ma no na application so wo ye na wo de evidence of sending sika to obi no kwa na se nipa nso anya evidence say ampa say sika ya ukra no receipt say wo de bra mi wono so anya say ampa mi so ne koji say sika na eno no ke be en ha den pa chewa nti say de wo ko bank ne de o mo ti receipt ma wo ha onipa nso koji ne bank ya na on so ya ti receipt ama no sa ba de wo send no where remit ne waves ne tap na wo kana efie ni no onya the same receipt sa eno no na me so nanka me pese me bisa me de kamini aba na dia
okay well first of all no what send mobile money e wa ha e call mobile wallet so mobile wallet no e account o Ghana wo pese wo ye application a de wo wa ha no nko a obetimi de aye however wo pese wo nya Ghana de na nipa na owo mobile money no MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, no. Manipa no enkan kire omo say the mobile wallet no. Omo ma no account. Ana omo ma no the balance sheet. Ana say the transactions. Ombe yama no. I mean, minim say ye mbisa sa na no. Because Ghana for no be here. But we here, we bisa MTN na ombe print yama. Why? Ska bi aba ne mobile wallet so bi ya no mo record. And into no be we are sika omutimi tracing hu baby sika no kono. Okay? Enti ehun yasa o de befa bank. Ehun yasa o de befa bank.
Okay, my follow up question is say enipa no hwe no okwa mama me nua bia me ye bibi sa ama na kwota. Oso okwa ye 19 for say omo de message ya omo wo so omo de ma na ne size kana confirmation of iska bia sa aba no warranty so but say enipa A and enipa B na de bre no no de eno de omu ntimi ne saa
me mwa kakra ewa ha
kopu
say wo send sika e free mfansa wo ye tap tap send wave ana mo eye mobile money ni ade no ekokosi agency bi so no mo transfer sika na de akọ ama okay se sika na hit in account mu straight away onya text message bajo timi
me tio ba ogogo
aha text message na onya no e ka kire ne se nipa sumasi bia edin a wo dey register wo mobile money bia tap tap na se send wave no edin a wo dey register no na abo akogu ne so se Kwame Antobam has sent you money to this amount na code we send ya de ma on the same code ebe call the text message no so until they all send you obisika on say we send wo app no so wi a amount notification be say sa sika we akodru ni pass message ho but so we are where sir
yeah I'm sending email
sa message na ba wo phone no so no number na e wo so no is the same number na be code ni pakro no mu phone no so Ghana
oyene mame fa we ntwa to sometimes na ya pese ye enforce ye fa hodi and I right so mobile phone companies na operate with a license so we say bosumi we me pebe match statement o ma print am menkaze kokasa na sika ba na ye ma ho receive there be nyesa na America asma America na say okọ MTN baby a omo betimi access your system no say mesra match sika aba mu nyina no ana for the last 6 months no sika aba me mobile wallet so no mesra mo print statement na o ma print am no but oni no kra na no stop application no ko wo evidence sika no wa ha e first of all sika no be free account wo corresponding bank statement we need problems e was a create issues kra oi
okay fine me don't want you to be
that's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, me insure 0208123116. Hello.
Hello, bro.
Yes, sir. Okay. Mbacho ma yenti we na jina ye kakra na am say mobile no etwetwesi.
Oh, right. What first steps?
Yeah.
What first steps?
Yeah.
Jina hwa.
Okay, yo. Na me be sound to say about family. Family me ba bako mama she's trying to play stubborn. Me say me application for contact shared custody. This uncle let me aboa me on data, but it's actually almost two addresses. Address cry almost so. Meaning say uncle let me no amamia. Ne ho man to say.
Okay, you need be a friend of shared custody. You was shared residence. And usually no say open private law application child arrangement order and I will apply for.
Yes.
Part of the child arrangement order no a residence and a contact. Ade a open no a contact. Contact no a bit me a overnight stay inti akola no primary residence a ne maame ho no te school. Na mo pesa we sure say e bi obaba Friday anadwo na Sunday anadwo wo de no kofie. Yem frɛ no shared custody. Omo frɛ no shared residence. Ana say contact.
Man, this time, but I don't different one there. Or change not that more for 3 days or
Enti se wo pese ogba no be days wo ho a first of all no wo betimi a refer wo ho ama mediation one of the processes your friend of Mia Mia enti once a wire sa mediation no wo se wo ba no nim ba bi o wa na kire se wo ntimi nye referral no enti wo betimi issue application on a C100 na wire application no na court no wa ma court na wo se wo nim ba bi akola no wo I very likely says oh my many details any details court no bit
Yes.
ahwehwe no normal serve no it may be say
Yes.
odwane from domestic violence in that case no mo fan address no ma it may also be
Them,
some
them,
person
Did you question for cry, uncle?
it may also be some person will be who address now but once our parent you know child arrangement order no wo ho kwan say wo ye nti o fill it form C100 na watua wo fees no so wo pay fee remission or apply for fee remission and also meet me ashama why
But the person
oba ye behwa wo Patrick wa ha me wa ha obi a wa ha to buy behwa why
okay. Yo, okay.
214-2218 Tottenham High Road no so and BWF solicitors for the community and the law and your day bro 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Boss, I'd say.
Benjamin Adum, but Evans near Middlesbrough.
Yes, Evans, I'd say.
Yamin Adum.
Good.
Uncle Pato, with it last week, let me fray about me visa extension. You issue a more new app. Sisiana, media program, Yana, me hear me email na or more apples to let me also my emailing me say a B man BRP is on its way. So I me confused kakra. So at that omonye your passports, but then can they print new BRP for us? A bit me suffices without the passport.
ade ya ode de ye e wanya na ese de wasitena brewa ade o ma hwe ne de o mo hwe wo de o fa ho be o hene o ma hwe de wo se o mo ye bia no o ma ye satisfied say we ye nipa a wo se wo ye no ade nti na mo bra o biometric residence card no why nti hwe anim anche bia ebeba why
me pacho me de me see you know so last week yes me fa email o me de email you.
Mate.
Ona actually say check your email no.
About David.
Yes, your friend say.
If Evans Middlesbrough, Evans Middlesbrough, me LPC no.
Yo mate. Ya be Patrick, obete Patrick Bonka.
Yo me that's it.
Yo bye.
Okay. 0208-123-1016. I'm going to say, the outside world news in the TV.
Yeah.
But Joe Biden are winning.
Yeah, the Nyamias.
When you're 270.
I'm say, Nyamiati, you know, Sa Papa na no White House or not dear. I'm say, you don't know Baba train ya so kakra. Say Obama ba bibi ninti. Yankofa bodam for now me dear. So I mean that's what he is. On you be a Sabio Sebe, the baby as a president. Yes, Osika, ain't then. And yes, can you the president? Nimdia na Obama kuta and Nimyama or the bar American president. American president is I think if it's not the highest office in the whole world now, is one of the highest office in the world. What between form at the yakayaka day editing crofo tem and then you say or say Biden a year. Me say Macron or manon concession speech. Not January no. Me say omo pa omo mesesa ye nyina akọ ye baba ko tu no White House ye di Joe Biden akọhye ho o ye nipa fon kra
na boko 0208-123-1016 and also text number 07950422780 say it will be our okay, Mami, fa text way emra. Uncle Ben say me ye application for domestic violence. Nesika say na was emitia.
2039, but ubetimi apply for fee waiver. And only indefinite application pair ubetimi apply for fee waiver. Enti u person apply for fee waiver on fill form. Who post application or actual letter say we apply for fee waiver. That is all.
You know, when you scanning free super. Because me when watch me journey from a year. Na with the scanning fee, you know, so a baby obstacle there.
And inti omo war bibia omo friend destitution application. nti start ya na obi a wo domestic violence no pesa o ye application a ye wo email dia a wo ya eno no mbetimi ama 3 months na wato bo ase agather niema no na wa ye but we need scanner mentia nebo eden 2300 yeah
Yebeko Hamano so ebio 0208123116. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening, mommy.
Evening, Papa. About some of the monster.
So what record?
Me papa na de ba no yi national. Na a pre settlement. Na bisa no o say ensesa me ye bi no na eso ye. Me so ma say o ye family member eso wo ye bi. Men ti ase na bisa na so say eso no na ye nyame na ese me.
Angwen.
Hello.
Oyema ade o papa aka no nya no kra. O 5 years no dada won.
Me pa try more 5 years.
Ye be na o ba kromo ha.
Me ba 2017 September 27th.
Where dia he?
Me ba say
O age ya won fie ya he.
Me fie nkasa o te so nti mfia me ye de ye ni 24.
Oyema wo say wo ye bi why?
Okay.
Nti ka jawa pa say wanye bi a June no ye be deport why?
Me pa so much.
Okay.
With us 0208123116. Ubeti afre now ode wo aye question no concern no about your break akra nti ankoben beboyen ama yeyi ano wo text message no so meji was 0795042278 me hasa me will be wo humano so okay I mean call text message so ankoben ayi domestic abuse say yen ukofie Ghana say enye ade a sebe yeta epeja no adeba obehu ana yakodwa atoa ohini bi abusia pani papa maame na afi yeyi ede afri ho eno eka ho na bia ama ye betena krom ha dodo na e face domestic abuse na enti ema yen reporting edan ye be ye ama sa stigma no any sa mindset na ye wono yetimi ayi afi ho sebe ya sebe ade na eja na show na wotimi ayi na afi so
Kwaku say na bibia chano information and education to information and education anya dia mresa sabiu why don't know tisika nkrofo bebre hu sa aware no ete omanim ete abusua anim obi wo ho a na sedie ana ne pene se obeware na aware na du anim na omabo abrewa na nkokora bom na omahwe omo nananom se obi asa na obi apen enti e ba se ono feel se o take steps bi a ebetimi ama ne do ne pe ane enum nyam no eso atia eden enya ade da fom o kwaku na sema ye ken na fom enti education ana
we can say kura say we sign a voice in out na extended family no either on your side or even the other side we and now do abododo na obi a kwa tena ho and am ka no tum na tena ho oba kwa tade trebe madam all those things that really doesn't make sense
adding me read social media oba bi massa advice here man mema nyina didi na tem say we go aware enti a very emotive and sensitive subject. Na yeah emrenim for a yeda no ya and seven no do na no e ba yanim yinim se na ekọ the yetimi som Wednesday and Thursday Eraba kama bi ba menim esunku a na ware se na ekọ no aba menim be 6 months ni efutu amede man ne se endu ba bi a wo so gu aware onko no nko mia na ni kakra nka ho na nye bro na ye se ma bre be ma no ndome enti ye try say ye be ma se na ite no ye so ano kakra na edu ba bi a na se na ade na koba no na wo se mra no de ne ho gem aware gunya adeketwa ana busuan nchichemu no nso nya de a sabi wo so ani but asofo bi a oti nyame asema sebeka kire se eno nkire se violence sanye sana twere konkron no ka se no na ye reference point but bear in mind say we are na ye wono enye obi a no ye Christian na ye Muslim na ye we enti o my advice o man say o man obi a enye obi a no je Bible no di and we understand that enti the bottom line is aware adepa but edu ba bi na ohwe na our life no is at stake I was say utu ho anamo
se edu ba bi na our life at stake to ho anamo wanamo a wutuo no ene se obetimi seek help from a professional ananse wasetena mu ensem sene a Uncle Ben aboyen amane na watuyenfo no your application na go away from that situation what free mu kra anti pebebi ejina ye na nso watimi anya asumdwe ene anigye ede abo wobra yeah be sorry so enche but we'll be to me afre whilst we still have a few moments. 0208 123 1016 and now text on 079 50 422 780. Yeah, live ewo Facebook and yeah live on so ewo YouTube. Ningina BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors. Ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo North London. Seven Sisters. Omo yejuma Monday to Friday. Every anopa 9:30. Ekosi enyumre 6 o'clock. Lawyer penny 4 ewo ha kabendano. Omo ebeji wasetena mu nsem owade mu nsem Ghana mra UK mra adwuma ye enom ne ade nyina no advice be also the maw no the maw there a year beyond office way na wo say utu fo say fa benkum ana ni fa ni nyina ode ebe maw success rate no there menka entwa waso ade a dodo na edi ho adanse eno nti na ye frɛ won the preferred community lawyers. Omo and a boy ma ye day the community and the law and the brew Saturday a we be a free UK time we are 4 o'clock ekosi enyumre 6 o'clock. Uncle Ben Henry Osajem fee near or manoso wumpini Adam was say contact BWF Solicitors for all your legal matters. Check your email. Okay, Ekwe McDonald email me. Check it. Don't worry. Actually, Uncle Ben is good. He's such a kind-hearted man. Linda obeying Eddie Enono. Eric Nanapoku so yeda say Uncle Ben number all bono with the to platform no so at the MI Yame insure. Uncle Ben yeba picture yemu na me kase ye biwi aja ubebumodi na watu yamfo. So domestic violence in semi. Prevalent in our community, so maybe somewhere here no. I put to na de be mayen na yetimi de aboy ho ban apart from the fact to say what train say I dey no eba na here with me gina so e dey nya wasetna.
Well, kwaku usually no say obi ewo ebufu ana e friend no anger e bi wa no here counseling. Obi nso wo ho a na ebi akoye nsanom ana ofa indro ibi obi nso sebe na eye ebro enti se wo pese wo sie se wa ware a the first step na say first of all we be identify say mo problem e wo ho sa problem no mo to hu anamo together
okay
na se counseling na wo so okwa na wo so okwa Now, asma maka ne nka se obra men onka sanka ben na metie na 70. Pese me go through process yi nyina ansa. Anya sa na meka se sabio panimu you know me so me wa busua nti me conscious of the fact that we say we keep wa busua ibom. Enti ba what to sa na mo na usually no your behavior any behavior violent. Any behavior life threatening, health threatening, psychological, tibia could be anything. But Sanwa of course, then the options are there. But behavior violent. Say you be bo be tim be cow atem didie ni sa niema no ade ane obi ansoso. Especially say bema be yin sa aboba ana bea ebe yin sa abobema. Ano nya de a counseling asem and there I was so wow too home for because statistics in it it takes 3 years for more ye no to realize ye bono. Ana about 20% lead to either physical harm and death. Enti I was say science no na case back why deal with no you know rabano ni kume poma sem say but na krache no ensa to no monsa or ye basa. It was a difficult decision. But I think so no mon aboa because the last one no and you see you become part of the family. Tebi wa koso to me text you. I mean you know Ghana even one of the big stars or what Ghana you know I heard no with TV so say it happen we will record the mommy said this is what is going on. I mean people are more expected say more sound counsel but I keep saying say I idea be affect your life and our be or braboma then you need to take professional advice and maybe report now deal with it that way.
Abusia de dae ekoso ya ene pitri be ha na ye day and komono ebc for ene in addition of the community and the law. In your baby say open appointment no ubitimi afre 0208 493 7340 0208 493-7340. Obibia pese obuki appointment ebehu lawyer for say Uncle Ben, lawyer Richard, lawyer Patrick, lawyer Francis, lawyer Eunice. Boarding free ne book appointment. We the assurance I can give you say when your appointment, when your sound advice because BWF solicitors preferred community lawyers. Say wo na opese wotena se na ho towa tie sound advice. Mr. COVID-19 any yen eda so ewo. Akodru pointer yese yen shedem na yen restrict ye ho yese lockdown ababio. Ni nyina na se epese e break circuit no. Se be ya entoa so enha ya dwene. Mepa cho. Emra ya hye ni nyina di so. Ohoro wonsa fasemina ka ho under running water. Ma hand sanitizer mbe wo brebiara. Se eba ne se waso bibi mu woni obi mwachia bia yesemenchi anso wachia ana se wako shop ana bibi apie aba wo hand sanitizer no bomodin fa ye onsa ho ne ade rira omore mo ne ade. Pacho, uko public space, wear your face mask. And as much as possible, se unhia se ubipia bontia, stay at home. 2020, we all wanted to go away because of Corona, but it's brought about so many opportunities and we have had sound advice. Uncle Ben, I mean, ensure you that's it for Ubre. Na message will be Adaruma. But ene me gina T4 ni ahwefo nyina na mu na madawase se wanya bre na wonim die ne usu ho awo no woni ya che
kwaku yeso mesu me gina Ghana fo na mu edawase se nka kwasi adai minim ka wo ne abusua na nanom na nneɛma wotifie na papa wɔhwɛ but watu anamo anya ɛnɛ na wo ba ɛnra wo set up anopa awia yi so wasan aba eso me gina Ghana na mu ka kyerɛw sɛ yeso yɛda wase nyame nkoso nhyiraw
for God and country. That's nyame. Obusafo ha any de besim fasida emma lawyer Patrick ono any technical producer sanso so and asidanko emma lawyer Richard also eboa yen ma ishe dwumedie de by lawyer Eunice at the update no ebre oba BWF solicitor wo lawyer Francis and also eboa yen emma ishe dwumedie one war administration any back office near de nyina upie ha so whole big family maka na mesense so law firm akwa yema Ghana chocolate unya no baby aha and now obenya no and to our executive producer Dr. Bernard Owusu for bringing us the community and the law. Your friend will recoup you wonder